How to make brochure using Canva. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a brochure using Canva. Brochures are versatile and effective tools for promoting your business, organization, or events. And with Canva, creating a beautiful and professional looking brochure has never been easier. Whether you want to create a brochure to showcase your product and services, promote an event, or share information about your organization, Canva has a variety of templates and design elements to help you create a stunning brochure that captures the attention of your audience. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a brochure on Canva, from selecting the right template to customizing it with your own image, text, and branding elements. So if you're ready to create a beautiful and effective brochure that represents your business or organization, this tutorial is for you. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com. After doing that, you're going to go over here on the search bar, and then you're going to search in brochure. We're going to choose an option over here, either this first option or the second one. We're going to click the first one, and then this will redirect us to the template page of Canva. In here, we would be able to see the different types of brochure designs that Canva has. As you can see over here, this is focused on computer, while this one is focused on nature. Now you could choose any of this brochure templates over here, and then you can simply click on them and then edit every components. Like what we're going to do right now, I'm simply going to choose a template that we like, and then we're going to edit it and then make it into our own. For example, this one over here, we're going to click this, and as you can see, there is 2 pages over here. Brochures are usually 2 pages, and they are usually printed back to back. While the first page is going to be the front page, the second page will be the back page. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on customize this template, and then this will redirect us to this editing page of Canva. And as you can see, page 1 and page 2 is in our canvas, and when you hover over the different parts, you can see that you can edit every single part of this. Now, if you don't like your template, you can simply see over here on the left side that you would be able to choose templates right from the editor instead of going back to this page over here. Okay, now now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and convert this template into our own template. Now, what I want to do first is I'm going to change the background color to something else. I'm going to choose to change it into maybe color purple or color blue. We're going to go with color blue. We're going to change elements that we see over here into color blue also. Everything that is color green, we're going to change it to color blue. Just like that. We can also change the box of this contact us option over here into a color blue also. We can change it into a different shade of blue. I'm going to use this shade, just like that. Now, as you can see here on the first part, that this page is about us. Now over here, whatever your brochure is for, you're going to put in the information about it. You need to give the person who's reading the brochure context about what it is about, so that they would be able to understand what the brochure is for. You can see that this is where people can find where they can contact the one who created the brochure. As you can see here on the first part, this is the address, the phone number, email, and then website. You could add more contact information, for example, Facebook page. We're simply going to click on elements, and then we're going to search Facebook icon, select that, and then we're going to click on see all graphics. Now we're going to choose a logo that fits the design of these icons over here, which is this one. So we're going to click on this one, and then this will appear into our canvas. We're going to change the color into white by doing this, and we're going to put this aside for a bit, and then we're going to select all of these elements over here so we can move them upward, just like that. We're going to select the contact us also, then we're going to move it upward so we have more space. Now we're going to resize our Facebook icon over here, make sure they're the same size as our other icons. Just like that, and then we're going to put it below icons over here, just like that. Now we can also copy the text over here, And we could put in our Facebook information over here. For example, facebook.com, then slash whatever your page name is, you would put it over here. Now we could also add Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media that you have, so that your viewers can, like I said earlier, contact you through various ways. Now as you can see here, our photos is about nature. Now what I want our topic to be is about the ocean. So over here, we're going to change our title to Clean the Ocean, just like that. And then we're going to adjust it a bit. We're going to lower it so that we can read it. And then we're going to change the font color by going here on the text color up above. And then we're going to click on light blue or any blue color that we like. We're also going to change our icon over here by clicking delete. And then we're going to search for droplet, just like that. Then we're going to click on graphics. And then we can simply choose from any of this option. I'm going to choose this one over here. And I'm going to make it smaller, just like that. And we're going to change the background of our logo over here. We're going to change it to maybe blue once again, light blue. And then we're going to change this one to a color white, just like that. I'm going to change this also into blue, just like that. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to change our photos over here into our own photo. Well, not our own photo, but a photo from our elements. And for you, if you have your own photo that you want to add to your brochure, you can simply go over here on the uploads and then click on upload yourself. And then you would be able to upload your own photo into Canva and then use it on your different canvas. So back over here at the elements, I'm going to search ocean. Then we're going to click on photos. And then we're going to choose any photo that we want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And we're simply going to drag it and then we can double click it. And for some reason, our photo is upside down, so we're going to flip it, just like that. And then we can change the part of the photo that we can see. Then we're going to click on done. And as you can see, the fishes are being seen in our photo. Now we're also going to change our photo over here. Simply going to choose another image once more. I'm going to choose this one. Going to put it over here. We're going to double click it and we could adjust our photo just like that. And now our photo has changed. Now as you can see, when you zoom out and then compare our pages over here, it is completely different from what we had earlier. The template that we had earlier was focused on nature and this one was focused on ocean. And as you can see, it is very easy to use templates and then convert it into the topic that you are aiming for. And like what I did earlier and what you saw, Canva has a lot of graphics or photos and even videos that you can use to customize and create your own brochure. Now we're going to continue and we're also going to edit this part over here. Like we did earlier, we're going to change this to blue, just like that. We're going to change the green parts into blue also, just like that. And then over here, we're going to zoom in. This is where you're going to put your services or other information about your group. You're simply going to edit the contents of your brochure. You could also completely change a specific part and then change the content completely. You don't need to follow what is written here. You don't need to add your own services here if you don't have any. You can simply select all of this element over here and then you can delete them and then you can replace them with what you want to add into your brochure. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to replace both of this image into any image that we like. For example, that one. And then for this one, I'm simply going to choose this one, just like that. And then we're going to change the color of this one into blue. Maybe a different shade of blue, just like that. And just like that, guys, as you can see, we have made our own brochure using the template that we used earlier as a basis. And hope you were able to follow what I was doing and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.